Hi everybody. So in this video we will see how you can execute the scope method of a controller from a directive. So like if I have a controller here, right share dot controller. I don't have much to inject, so I can write the controller in a simple way. Cntr to controller, then I have this function. I need to pass scope here, and I have one method of execute alert, and I will be just putting alert here. So I will be just showing this message. This is my method in the controller, demo controller. So I want to execute this, and I can access the scope inside a directive. So I can directly write scope dot execute alert. So in this way you can execute this method. You just need to check that you have written correctly controller name. Then we have only one thing to inject, so I can write it like this: scope.execute alert and scope.execute alert. You need to specify this controller inside your HTML demo controller. Okay, so let's see the output. Yeah, so whenever you are mouse entering on this, it is showing the alert. It is executing actually this method. When you do mouse enter, it is executing this method scope.execute alert, and it is printing this message. Okay, so this is how we can execute a method of a controller from a directive. Now we will just customize it. Like if you want to execute something and you want to put the method name dynamically, you don't know. You want to get the method name from the attribute, like over equal to this. So if I want to get this method name from this directive, then I will write it like this. I want to execute this method from directive which is defined inside a controller. So I will get this method name from the attribute. So for such cases you need to access the $apply, because it's a dynamic. We don't know the method name because it will be coming from attribute. So you need to write it like this. So over, it will check what is the attribute of over execute alert, and you can also put some console log here, console.log. Hello, I'm executing. Scope.apply unit, because scope.apply will parse this, what is the attribute value, and then we'll execute that method. We can check if we are getting any error or something. So what is this unexpected token app.js? Let me check what is this. Okay, yes, there is an error. This is not required. This is scope opening, function closing. Then you need to write it like this. So for that, so you see this, when you are doing mouse over, it is executing that also alert method. Hello, I'm executing. So it is executing this method and getting the method name from the attribute value. Attribute dot over, it is $apply is parsing that and executing this execute alert. Okay, you can write the controller in different way also, which we were using earlier. There is no difference, just a different way of writing it. This is using only a single value, so it is better to use the first approach. Whenever you don't have much to inject, you have only scope to inject here, scope demo controller, you need to pass the dollar scope here, and you got the same controller in some different format. You can use any other approach, either this one or either this one. So that's all. Thank you everyone.